Hey buddies, how are you? It's gonna be easy to cook the recipe of today, which is meringue cookies. So, let's start immediately.
Separate the egg whites from the yolks and weigh them. Now multiply their weight by 2, obtaining the sugar weight. For example, if you have 100 grams of egg whites, you have to use 200 grams of sugar. You should use the eggs at the room temperature, or you can boil them on the bain-marie, as I do, but be careful to don't cook the eggs. Remember to add a pinch of salt. And if you add a small coffee spoon of lemon juice, it helps you to beat the eggs, and it also gives the lucidity. When you beat the eggs until stiff, the bowl and the whisk should be super clean, especially from the fat. The best method of adding sugar is add a little by little, but personally I added it 2 times to speed up the process. It's better if you use the powdered sugar, but you can use a normal granulated sugar as well, or mix it in the blender before. When the sugar is completely dissolved and the eggs are beaten until stiff, you can color them or start to use them. Transfer the beaten eggs in a sacapoche and form the meringues. Now you just have to let the meringues dry at 90–95 degrees for different hours until they are completely dried. It took me 3 hours. Conserve them at the room temperature. Enjoy your meal and remember to subscribe to the channel. See ya!